I got it. Come here, Zoe.
Are you dancing? Oh,
my.
good girl.
What is that, your little suave move? No?
No?
Okay, see ya.
See ya.
Ciao.
See you later.
Bye.
She'll be back.
She'll be back.
Yes, you will.
She's going to turn on a different song.
There she goes.
She comes.
That's the best dance move ever. Go get a new song. Go back and do a
Go
new
get
song.
a new song.
One more.
Keep Macy there.
Dead. It's a new move. I thought it was fun.
There you go.
Thanks.
Alright, go get a new song. It's over. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. She's a something else. Yeah. There we go. Create the legs. What are you doing? Alright, go back. Stay. Zoe, come here. Yeah. She's an act.
What's your next act? Are you drunk? No?
No.
Not that one?
Okay.
Do one more song,
Zoe.
One more.
song.
Do one more, Zoe.
New song. Thank you.
There we go.
Can you hear the song?
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, that was a short one. Man. One more.
Alright.
One more.
She was lifting her leg.
Get a good song. Oh, man, we keep hearing this one.
That's a new dance.
Got it.
Alright.
Mwah.
I love you, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.